Those factors will be tracked very closely by Kamlesh and his team. Aishwarya Paliwal is in Saharanpur. In Saharanpur, we're seeing a three-cornered fight. This is also where Mayawati and Akhilesh did their big joint rally, the one big rally they've had so far. And this is also where the Prime Minister has gone and campaigned as well. So Western UP really crucial for setting the mood of the battle in Uttar Pradesh. And last time, the dominance was so strong for the BJP in Western UP that they just went in and swept all of UP after that. In 2014 in Saharanpur, in these 8 seats, there was a 66% voter turnout. I just also want to show you the past results from Saharanpur. Of these 8 seats, all of them are held by the Bharatiya Janata Party. So very, very strong, at least at this moment, base for the BJP. Raghav Lakhanpal of the Bharatiya Janata Party, who's a candidate in this election as well, picked up 40% of the vote. Imran Masood, strong candidate of the Congress, picked up 34% of the vote. And that time the BSP had put up Jagdish Rana. This time there's a Muslim candidate, making this battle very, very tricky. And the question is, can the Mahagathbandhan vote stay united, or will the Congress split some of the opposition vote? Aishwarya Paliwal is in Saharanpur this morning, one of the key battlegrounds. Aishwarya, give our viewers a sense of the mood on the ground in this crucial battleground state in Western UP.
Well, one thing, Rahul, I can say for sure is the fact that, we have seen a large voter turnout. In fact, we spoke with some of the voters. They have been standing in the queue since 5:30 in the morning. So there is some enthusiasm with people. We also spoke with security forces. They are saying that preparations are made, and the officers inside are saying they were checking the VVPATs when we arrived. They are saying that all the machines are working fine. They're very hopeful that today's polling will go very smoothly. A couple of people we spoke with told us that now they are looking for some kind of change. Now, whether it will translate to words or whether it will translate to Raghav Lakhanpal getting a second term is something that we'll have to wait and watch. But yes, major turnout here in Saharanpur, that's for sure. People standing in the queue since 5:30 in the morning.
Interesting, the people were queuing up starting 5:30.